So this is the market summary here on Tuesday the 31st of January. We didn't take any trades today on the account. We did have a couple of setups. What I was doing, I was waiting for more of a pullback into an area, and waiting for pullbacks didn't quite work out. That is something for me to think about, whether I should simply get in on the close of the candles rather than wait for a pullback for a better entry to go long. On this occasion it did not work, but because it didn't work today doesn't mean that it will continue to not work in the future. But it is important for the validity of the system for every setup to be taken, so that has to be factored into account. So in terms of let's see if we can get our drawing tools on the chart. Favorite drawing tools. There we go. So the first setup I was looking at this setup candle here. I was looking at this candle here. After seeing this big candle, after we had this consolidation, I expected a retest of this level here around at 43.50. It was pretty much the 60-minute opening range for the day so far. What I was looking for, the move came to the upside, consolidate. Well, this is before the market opened. That's before the market opened. Came in, was expecting a pullback, so I placed my order in around that 43.50 level. Didn't quite get there, went as low as 44 before prices went to the upside, all the way up until the 50% level from yesterday. That's the midpoint from yesterday. We had this consolidation, and let's see where this takes us. We had this setup candle here breaking out of the consolidation, so we've had a move up, consolidation, we've had a breakout candle, placed my order for a pullback to go long, didn't get filled. The second setup here, same story again. This was a setup candle I was looking for. I was looking for a pullback into this range here for it to go long. Prices pulled back, and again I wasn't filled. I think I had my order down about a 57.50. Yes, it was. I had my order around 57.50, just below this orange line here, right into near the midpoint of this range where we had a consolidation, expect a retest, possible move to go to the upside. Didn't get filled. As you can see, prices continued to the upside before pulling back. Now this was the end of the day, so I likely would not take any trades here because it's pretty much the end of the day, and at 10 minutes before close do see quite a bit of volatility coming. I think it's something to do with options, but there was a setup candle here as well, and again, due to the time of day, due to the size of the candle, I would have still waited for a bit more of a pullback, because as you can see the candle is over 10 points, so I would have still been looking for a pullback of at least a couple of points. As we can see, not much of a pullback, so again, if I had taken this, I would not have been filled, and prices of course continued to the upside to retest the previous day's highs and closing around the previous day's highs. So it's a case of what could have been. Didn't actually get filled in any of these trades. It was the kind of price action I was looking for, but my executions didn't quite work out in my favor. In terms of what we mentioned, we're looking at this week in terms of getting in the 50% target and a pullback to re-enter. Again, all those setups would have worked, but that's just how it is sometimes. And let's just have a look at the account. Not much has changed in the account. Well, nothing's changed in the account. As you can see, it's the 31st. We didn't take any trades. All the trades here are from the 30th. Just going down just for transparency, showing that nothing has pretty much changed here on the account. Yep, so with that said, thanks for watching.